Another thing at that time we have appreciated about this kind of machines is the mechanical construction, which is quite robust, I would say. And since, let's say now 4 years almost of continuous operation, I have to say that we were right in this kind of idea we had. The fact that I'm not sure and I'm not totally aware of the last maintenance problem we had of the machine, I think is quite self-explaining. The machines are reliable, and I have to say that the service also, especially in the first setup phase of the machines, all the aspect was always good, and we were assisted in a very good way. It was let's say, a very good relationship, how your people there illustrated to us the different technologies, what was used and suitable for our purposes and for our needs, what was not. The suggestions in setting up the machine in one way or the other, for example, the X-ray machine, we had these suggestions from your side to having the chute in one case from the bottom, in the other case from the top, depending on the size of the material. And this later on, of course, was also translating in a different geometry of the hoods and all the hoppers below the machine, because it was vice versa in one from another. Startup also was a very important moment where not only we had to prove the efficiency of the material flow in terms of cleanliness, but really try and learn how to modify, how to setting up the machines, and having the possibility to have your teams here someday for the necessary period was, of course, of utmost importance. We are well above the market at the moment can supply in terms of recycled wood material for NDF. So we are happy and proud of what we have done.